Find each sum. In the first example, we have addition of integers. First number is negative and the second is positive. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about negative sign. We compare the numbers 9 and 6. 9 is greater. So next we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign, we open parentheses, and we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 9 minus 6. This is equal. Have to copy negative sign. 9 minus 6 is 3. Next example, we have again two integers. One is negative, one positive. So we have to use the same rule. We check which of these two numbers is greater. We have 3 and 8. We forget about negative sign. So 3 and 8. 8 is greater. Before 8 we have positive sign. So we copy the sign of the greater number, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. Positive sign we don't have to write, so 8 minus 3 is 5. Next example, now we have here addition of two rational numbers, both of them negative. For addition rational numbers, we use the same rules like for adding integers. So when we have two negative numbers, we copy negative sign and we just add this two numbers. So we have 1.75 plus 2.25. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to copy, and we can add 1.75 plus 2.25. We have to keep everything in right columns. So 100/10, the decimal point must be in the same column and ones in the same columns. We start from the last column. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we copy 0, we write 0 and we add 1 to next column. And now we have 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have to write 0 and we add 1 to the ones column. Next we have to copy decimal point and we add ones. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got 4. We don't have to write decimal point because after decimal point we have only zeros, so we don't have to write this. This is my solution.